channel. If you are my regular subscriber and viewer, welcome back. Thank you so much for liking my videos, and if you are watching me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button because you are going to have really informative and interesting videos on this channel. Well, in today's video, I am going to share a very interesting beauty hack. You know, these days the plumped up or the fuller lips are really in these days. Like, people are going crazy about getting the fuller lips. There are medical procedures which some people are okay with, to put in the fillers and the injections and all, but there are some temporary options available in the market too, like lip plumping, lip glosses, and lip plumping lip balms, and there are very famous brands who are making all these products. So I thought that why not to research about the ingredients that are mostly used in the temporary lip plumping beauty products, and I got to know that there are two main ingredients they are using. One is the peppermint essential oil, and the other thing is cinnamon essential oil. Well, the cinnamon essential oil is quite intense and quite concentrated, so it is used in the controlled production of certain beauty products. But for the peppermint oil, it is quite safe. Like, if you are not allergic to the peppermint essential oil, you can easily use that. I got a recipe of a lip scrub that will plump up your lips for a time being, and you would really feel and you would really get the same sensation and same feeling just like if you use any of the good brand lip plumping balm or lip plumping lip gloss. And that was really interesting because I really liked the feeling, I really liked the look afterwards. And it was said in the recipe that if you use this continuously, you can even have a permanent result. Like, you can even have a permanent fuller looking lips and plumped up lips. Trust me that I tried that, and I got the same sensation and same feeling on my lips just like you use any of the good brands lip balm or lip gloss for lip plumping. And the thing is that what all these products basically do is they increase the blood flow to your lips, and that's why they get a bit swelled up and you feel that tingly sensation on your lips and that cooling sensation on your lips, and they look bit swelled, very slightly swelled, and they give you a fuller and plumped up look. So this is the actual game of all these lip plumping products out there that give you a temporary fuller lips. So today we are going to make a lip scrub that you're going to leave on for 5 minutes, and you would see that you will get the same sensation and same effect just like you use any of the lip plumping balm or any of the lip plumping lip gloss. Isn't it interesting? Well, to make this lip plumping lip scrub, you need cinnamon powder, a freshly grounded cinnamon powder. You need peppermint essential oil and 100% pure coconut oil. How many quantities you need each of that? I am using 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, this much. You need to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil. So I took 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 4 drops of peppermint essential oil. You can use 4 or 5 drops. Don't go higher than that because then it will irritate your lips. So we just need a reasonable quantity of peppermint essential oil, and you know that cinnamon powder also has the property to increase the blood flow, so it will also going to give you some stimulation in your blood towards your lips because you're applying that on your lips. And just mix them all together well. It smells beautiful because of the cinnamon and because of the peppermint essential oil. So it smells like a good chewing gum. so I just want to eat that. Let me wipe off my lips and take off my lipstick so that I can show you that how am I gonna use this. You just have to leave it for 5 minutes, and after that just wash it off, and then you can go for any of the makeup or any of the lip color that you are planning to use. And I highly recommend to use this hack, especially before going to some occasion, because your lips would look really fuller. And if you are using that ombre effect on your lips, like the ombre techniques of using the lip colors, it will beautifully enhance your lips and it will really make them fuller and plumped up. So I just wiped the lipstick from my lips, and now I'm gonna use this. Just try to use your ring finger or the little finger, because it will give the less pressure on your lips when you are scrubbing them. So this is how you're gonna apply this one. I recommend to scrub gently for a minute and then just leave this on for 5 minutes, and after this wipe this off and carry on with your lip color. And if you go for the ombre technique, it will give you beautiful lips. I already started feeling that cooling sensation and that tingling sensation on my lips, and it means that peppermint essential oil is working on my lips and the cinnamon is working on my lips. And trust me that all the 3 ingredients are really safe to use. If you feel that you can have allergy with the peppermint essential oil, just patch test on your arm skin, on your elbow, so you would know that is it okay with your skin or not. Otherwise it's totally safe to use. And I am like, wow, I'm feeling that sensation on my lips, and it means that it's working. And you know that 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 5 or 4 drops of peppermint essential oil. This makes a quite good quantity, so you can store this in a small little lip balm kind of jar or a bottle. After 5 minutes, I just took a little bit of moisturizer that I use, and I just wipe that scrub off. If you want to wash it, you can wash that too. And trust me that I am feeling that numbness on my lips, and I am literally feeling that they are slightly swelled or plumped up. And trust me that I am feeling that sensation, and I'm feeling that a little bit of numbness on my lips, and I'm literally feeling that they are slightly swelled or plumped up. Amazing. Trust me that you all ladies out there, you should try this at home if you are watching me, and you would really thank me later that it gives you a good homemade lip plumping scrub, and it will give you the exactly same effect just like any of the good brand lip plumper, lip gloss, lip plumper, lip balm. That's amazing. So this was it for this time. If you like this video, please try this at home, because it gives you the exactly same feeling on your lips just like you use any good brand lip gloss or lip balm. And trust me that it works. So please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share with your friends and family, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye till the next video.